Lamborghini Huracan. The 2025 Lamborghini Huracan is not just a car, it's a masterpiece on wheels. With its sharp contours, aggressive lines, and signature Lamborghini aesthetics, this supercar commands attention wherever it goes, a true symphony of design and power. It's been nearly 10 years since Lamborghini introduced the Huracan, and now its successor has been seen undergoing testing in the development phase. The upcoming supercar is highly likely to feature a plug-in hybrid system when it makes its debut in 2024. Colsync and CarWow have provided exclusive renders to offer a sneak peek into the potential appearance of this new car. Spy photographers have captured the replacement for the Lamborghini Huracan on multiple occasions, and the car has been seen covered in substantial camouflage. The unmistakable Lamborghini silhouette with its iconic wedge shape is immediately recognizable. The new car maintains a striking resemblance to the Huracan, showcasing the iconic wedge shape. However, a notable difference is the tall air intake located behind the door, reminiscent of the one seen on the old Lamborghini Gallardo, as observed in the camouflaged spy shots. Fans of the Revuelto will instantly recognize the rear end, as it draws significant inspiration from that car. The substantial central exhaust is positioned in the same location as its larger sibling, as evident in the prototype. Additionally, the thin brake lights and the presence of a substantial rear diffuser mirror the design cues found on the Revuelto. Lamborghini is considering discontinuing the iconic naturally aspirated V10 engine, a staple in Huracans and Gallardos since 2003. According to the brand's chief technical officer, Revuelto, the new engine configuration will have less than 12, but more than 6 cylinders. Don't forget to visit our official website, which is in the description box below. In the current era of engine downsizing, this suggests that Lamb2 racing regulations, a restriction that won't be applicable on the road. The upcoming car will embrace a plug-in hybrid configuration, and Lamborghini's CEO, Stefan Winkelmann, has confirmed that all new PHEVs from the brand will be equipped with a dual-clutch gearbox. This detail is noteworthy because the dual-clutch gearbox in the Revuelto is specifically designed for a 150 horsepower electric motor. There's a strong likelihood that the Huracan successor will share these components. Integrating a hybrid system into any car typically introduces additional weight, which can adversely affect performance and handling. To counteract this, there's speculation that the new Lamborghini Huracan replacement might opt for rear-wheel drive exclusively, although without features of the Huracan for a flamboyant farewell. Notably, it featured a rear-wheel drive configuration. The future will reveal whether the replacement follows the footsteps of this remarkable model. The much-anticipated debut of the new Lamborghini Huracan replacement is slated for late 2024, following the introduction of the new Urus plug-in hybrid. The pricing for the new Lamborghini Huracan replacement is expected to be substantial. The current base Huracan already sits around $250,000, and there's no indication that its successor will be more affordable. In fact, it's quite likely that the new model will come with a premium, despite the transition away from the V10 engine. With manufacturing costs on the rise, the intricate development and construction of the plug-in hybrid system are likely to contribute to the overall cost. Lamborghini may also choose to offset the additional weight from the electrified powertrain by incorporating more carbon fiber, which could further impact the sticker price. This would position it roughly in line with the Ferrari 296 GTB and represent nearly half the cost of a V12 Revuelto. Thank you for joining us in the exploration of the 2025 Lamborghini Huracan. Don't forget to subscribe for more heart-pounding automotive adventures. This is Josh from NCT Channel signing off. Remember, the road is where dreams become reality. See you next time.